Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I will be teaching you how to start a group chat on Snapchat. So let's begin right away. The very first step is to make sure that your Snapchat app is up to date. If not, please go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and update your Snapchat app. Once you are done, simply open your Snapchat app and then scroll to the left or press on the chat button right here. And then once you're here, simply click on the Compose button found on the bottom right corner of the screen. And then make sure to click on New Group right here. And before we proceed, what is a group chat on Snapchat? So group chats in Snapchat let you and up to 100 friends stay in touch and share the moments together. So this basically means that the maximum amount of participants in a group is up to 100 person only. So right here, you just simply choose whichever friend you want. So for example, I will choose this one and then click on create group right here. And then now, as you can see, you have created a group chat. Let's say, for example, that you want to change the name of that group chat. You just simply click on the arrow button right here or the name of that group chat. So click on it and then just simply click on the name once again right here. And for example, let's just type in group chat. So click on save once you're done. And then that's it. So right here, whenever you send a message, for example, hi, and then you want to see who have seen your message, you just simply press and hold, and then you may be able to see who have seen your message. So that's it. That's how you can start a group chat on Snapchat. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.